Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your headphones JBL Everest. And firstly, make sure that your headphones is turned on, and after that you should press and hold at the same time volume up and volume down button until your headphones is turned off. So press and hold on it, and now we wait until this LED light is gone. Here we go, now it turned off. So firstly we should remove it from the device list on your device, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that turn on your headphones by slide up this power button. Now it entered to prank mode automatically, so we can see that's the device list, and just click on it. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!